I just made a small discovery which might impact owners and repair people of certain electronic products, specifically the types of electronics and instruments which are powered by these types of adapters. I was fixing a Casio digital piano. This thing wasn't turning on at all, so I checked the power supply all the way to the barrel plug. 12 volts, all good. So then I opened up the piano completely. There's no power coming in on the board. I couldn't find what was wrong, like a burnt fuse or anything, so I powered the piano directly from the board by soldering in 2 leads, and I got it working again. Long story short, the problem is built into this power input, the barrel plug. There are several types of barrel plugs, commonly called cylindrical or coaxial connectors, at the end of a power connector's cord. They have different sizes and diameters, so if yours breaks, you could use a comparable adapter. They're somewhat universal. Well, not in all cases, I've discovered. Casio, like that piano over there, uses a proprietary barrel plug. It's not that they're trying to keep users from hacking their system and technology, because this isn't any sort of data transfer. It's simply a 12-volt DC power supply. But Casio has gone through the effort of designing a socket which can only accept barrels with a very specific diameter and form, which doesn't match anything you can commonly buy. If you try to use another barrel plug with a diameter which isn't an exact match for Casio's, there's a built-in physical toggle in here which nulls the power input, either by cutting it off or shorting the circuit. And if you try a barrel which doesn't have this very unique little bulge, it also shorts the circuit. All this to specifically force the use of their official adapters. You can't use a generic universal adapter, you need to buy Casio's. And yes, theirs is several times more expensive than anything else you can buy. It would seem several manufacturers use proprietary or altered barrel plug connectors to lock consumers into buying their own brand of chargers. While universal or standard barrel plugs exist, companies often modify their connectors to prevent cross-brand usage. But that's sort of besides the point. What I really want to get across to all of you is that sometimes the problem to a broken electronic appliance might be a trap built into the machine itself, as is the case with this barrel plug. So don't despair. Don't trash your machines, because the fix might be simpler than you thought. See you next time, friends.